In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a photo collage on your iPhone without using any third-party apps. It's a simple and fun way to combine multiple photos into one image, perfect for sharing special memories with your friends and family. To get started, open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and then tap Gallery at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Photo. Tap and select the photo grid option from the search results. With this, you can select photos from your library and make a square collage out of them. Just tap on the Add Shortcut button at the bottom. Once you've done that, tap Shortcuts at the bottom left corner. Tap and select the photo grid shortcut. What you want to do next is select the photos that you want to make into a collage. Once you've selected the photos, tap Add at the top right. To save this collage, tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. And then bring this up and tap Save Image. And then tap Done. Now you can exit the Shortcuts app and go over to the Photos app on your iPhone to see your collage. You can share this with friends and family or do whatever you want with it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.